They said Indiana wasn't built for this. They said football greatness lives somewhere else. But they forgot one thing. This state breeds toughness. It's forged in cold mornings, blue-collar work, and a refusal to back down.
Every yard taken is earned, nothing given. That helmet isn't just crimson and cream. It carries pride. It carries history. It carries the belief that when we step on this field, we own it. When the lights come on and the crowd rises, this becomes our house, our moment, our time. No hesitation, no fear, no limits. This is Indiana football.